everyone. I'm here to talk about the things Samsung has been doing to think clean and go green. If you've gone shopping for a screen recently, you'll notice how they keep getting bigger. The packages are getting bigger too, and more elaborate. That's because packaging is part of the branding, competing for your attention. Unfortunately, that also means they leave a bigger carbon footprint. So last year, Samsung decided to buck the trend and simplify. We steered the industry in another direction with eco-packaging. Just in terms of size and volume, this presents an enormous opportunity to significantly reduce waste. Eco-packaging goes beyond recycling to upcycling. Our minimalist package comes with a dot design that helps consumers cut and create their own projects. It gives new life to plain old boxes and invites you to get creative. We partnered with DZine magazine to promote upcycling through the out-of-the-box competition. The results have been imaginative, clever, and completely delightful. I saw a pet house I just have to try with my kids. Take a look.
This has been one of the most popular competitions that DZine has ever run. Our consumers share the same eco-friendly values that we uphold, and their ingenuity gave new life to packaging that was once considered trash.
The best part of eco-packaging has been your response. Together, we'll do our part for a greener planet, spruce up our home decor, and have some fun. In 2021, eco-packaging will expand to other products in our lineup. We will minimize embellishments like stickers or color ink, making the upcycling process even simpler. That's what's happening on the outside of the box. What's inside is changing too. Take this remote control. You never really think about it. That is, until it doesn't work and you have to dig up fresh batteries. Who has time to keep track of them? And we all know batteries create unwanted waste. So for both your convenience and the environment, we kept searching for ways to apply light energy. At the same time, we would have to develop extra efficient remote controls that could be powered by solar or indoor lighting alone. We also chose to use recycled plastic, which involved turning waste into resin that met our high standards. It wasn't easy, but we decided to go for it. The result is the game-changing solar cell remote control. Based on the average life of TVs, which is about 7 years, this saves the environment from over 99 million batteries. The reduction in carbon emissions is immense. Picture 759 football fields full of pine trees. It would take all those trees an entire year to do the same work. Altogether, it was a complex process that took an incredible amount of expertise, dedication, and investment in R&D. Was our remote control worth the trouble? Absolutely. We're taking the initiative to conserve our planet. With the progress we make, it's good to know my 3 kids will grow up in a greener world.
Sustainability demands careful attention and extensive investments. But what we gain is priceless: a healthy planet, consumer trust, and a bright outlook for future generations. Packages and remote controls are commonplace objects that people take for granted. But we took a harder look and asked uncomfortable questions about these norms.